want to demonstrate to you that it is possible to use an ordinary dry iron to apply our HD print products onto your garment. For the first time in history, you do not have to buy expensive heat press machines to do your printing. You can use just an ordinary iron. And now I will demonstrate to you how it is done. First, take a HD print sticker, something like this, and cut out the logo, whichever you want to print. For example, I want to print this girl here. So, I just cut around the edges of this fairy. Okay. Once I have cut out the logo that I want to print, I'll just place them on the position of the t-shirt. And for the iron, I would want to set it to medium setting, or number 3, or wool, or rayon. Depending on what iron that you buy, you would want to set it to medium. Once it is heated, just place the iron on top of the sticker and slowly rub and apply pressure. Iron for about 1 minute. If you are using a normal heat press, it is about 20 seconds, 135 degrees Celsius. But since we are using an ordinary iron, I would advise you to iron and press a little bit longer. Be sure to put a little bit more pressure onto the shirt. Okay, 1 minute is almost up. Just pick up the iron and let it cool before you peel. As long as it is still hot to touch, do not remove the outer layer. Let it cool down first. You know when it is cold, when it is not too hot to touch. If it burns your hand, it's not ready for peeling. Now it's just about right. Just slowly peel off. And there you have it, the logo on the t-shirt. This logo has a glossy feel to it. If you want to have a matte feel to it, just fold the shirt like this and iron again on top of it for about 20 seconds. So now your shirt, your logo will have a matte feel to it. And that's it.